Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Once you've unplugged the battery, it can be easier just to remove it altogether. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Gently lift up to unplug the antenna cables from the motherboard. Remove 7 4mm screws and 3 5mm screws from the motherboard. Lift up the hinge and remove the bracket. Gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Then gently flip it over and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable into the new motherboard. Then flip the motherboard over and gently replace it back into its port slots. Be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the bracket and lower the hinge. Replace the 7 4mm screws and 3 5mm screws back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speakers back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. And gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the motherboard. Replace the battery back onto its posts. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws back into the bottom cover.